This is a shocking turn, and Washington did not see this coming because at the very moment US warships are edging closer to Iran, one of America's closest partners has stepped back quietly, firmly, and publicly. You're watching Times X Beats me, Dhriti Yatri, and let's talk about the breaking move here. The United Arab Emirates, they have drawn a red line. No American jets, no American troops, no American warships. Not from the UAE land, not from the UAE airspace, and not from UAE waters. For any attack on Iran, by the way. Now let that sink in, because this is the same UAE that has long hosted the US forces, US logistics hubs, and joint military operations as well. And now there is a clear no. And you know why this matters so much? Because geography decides the war here. The UAE sits at the heart of the Gulf, that is close to Iran, close to key shipping lanes, and close to the US bases. If America wanted speed, access, and reach, the UAE was critical until now. Let me tell you what Abu Dhabi said exactly. In a formal statement, the UAE made it very clear that its territory will not be used for any hostile action against Iran. Not even indirectly, not even quietly, not even for support role. This is not ambiguity anymore, this is policy. Here's the background that you need to know. In recent years, the UAE has been recalibrating, restoring diplomatic ties with Iran, focusing on trade and stability, avoiding the regional wars that scare investors, prioritizing economic security over military alignment here. Abu Dhabi has learned one thing really hard way. War in the Gulf, it hurts everybody, and that too really fast. And Tehran heard that particular message. Iran's response was immediate and chilling. A senior Iranian official warned that any US strike on Iran, no matter how limited or how surgical it will be treated as an all-out war. No half measures, no controlled escalation. But wait, what does this all-out war really mean? Well, in Iran's doctrine, US bases across the region, allied infrastructure, shipping lanes, energy routes. Everything here becomes fair game for them, and escalation would be regional and not local. And you know why this is a problem for Mr. Trump? US President Donald Trump has relied on pressure tactic. Move forces, signal strength, force concession here. But pressure only works when allies move with you, right? And this time, one ally, UAE, did not. And that weakens the entire message that Washington wants to send. So here's a bigger story that is unfolding. The Middle East is splitting into three tracks. Well, the US is preparing for force, Iran is preparing for retaliation, and the Gulf states are trying to stay out of the blast zone. The UAE's move signals fear, not of Iran alone, but of uncontrolled war. So, here's what we are watching, ladies and gentlemen. Not a betrayal, of course, not an alliance collapse, but just a warning shot that even America's closest partners are unwilling to be launchpad for a conflict that could spiral out of control. So, when allies say no, when leaders draw a red line, when threats turn absolute, it means that diplomacy is thinning now, and that the space between deterrence and disaster is getting dangerously small.